everyone, it's me Faith and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making crumpets, which is sort of like a griddle cake. They're British. That's all I can say. We'll see. Supposedly you know what they are because you've searched it and you've seen the thumbnail. So, the ingredients you'll need to make the crumpets will be warm water, yeast, plain flour, salt, sugar, that is sugar, not salt. This is salt for the other half. We need salt, warm milk, and bicarbonate of soda or baking soda. It's the same thing. We'll place the sugar and flour, mix, add yeast, and now we'll add the warm water. Make sure it's warm. I can stick my finger in this, it is not hot. If it's hot, it will kill the yeast. Give this a mix. Once this is mixed and it looks like a thick batter, we are going to put some cling film over the top and pop it in a warm place to rise for an hour. This is going in the microwave off. Don't turn it on because you cook the dough in the bowl. That's not what you want. And just let this rise. Okay, now that this has proven for about an hour, you can definitely see this has doubled in volume. It looks like some sort of creature. We'll add the salt and give it a mix. Again, some magical yeast. Once this has been mixed, you're gonna cover it again with the cling film and let it rise for another 15 minutes. Then we can add the milk, baking soda, and cook them. They're not baked this time. Right. Okay, now once this has already puffed up again, we have the milk, which is warm, and we're gonna add the bicarbonate of soda. Now we can add it into the batter. And give this a mix. Okie dokie, so now that you have mixed your batter, I have a ring mold here. This is, well, now considered a crumpet ring. If you don't have a ring mold, don't worry, you can do it in a heat-proof cookie cutter, heat-proof round cookie cutter. If you don't want to do that, you can easily put some butter on a pan and put the batter in, just make a giant one, and you can just cut it up. Now we are going to grease the inside of the mold with some butter. Okay, so we've done that. And place the ring inside and your batter all the way. And let that cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's set and there's bubbles on top. I will show you how that looks. There are the crumpets. They are ready. They look really good and smell amazing. This one has butter on it. Let's give us a taste. Smells yeasted and delicious. It's absolutely amazing. Super good. This would go incredibly well with a cup of tea or some jam on top, butter and jam, or jam and peanut butter, or you could put this savoury and put I don't know, smashed avocado and poached egg on top. Endless possibilities. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.